Hi everyone, it's nice out again, or as nice as it can be with this weather. And we can see D right there. The greenhouse is behind those trees. Bring up a shed. It's messy out here. So that's what the greenhouse looks like. And as you can see, the garlic I planted in here has all sprouted, which is sad. I guess it's been warm enough in here. But I do have some more garlic in the hoop that I showed earlier, and that's not sprouting yet, so that's good. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I think I'll just let it grow and see what happens since it's warm enough in here. All right, it's really pretty. And treacherous. That's the state of the green stalks. As soon as the snow melts, I'll be out here cleaning it up. And I'll put them away. And so in the meantime, I've been experimenting with some greens. And as you can see, we have some radish right there. It's radish as well. Then we have some cauliflower right there. Some more cauliflower. And some tatsoi right there. I really haven't done well with tatsoi. And from everything I have read, that's some more tatsoi. From everything I have read, it's supposed to grow really well in the cold. So it's an experiment I'm doing. That's some spinach. And that is white bok choy. And we have some cabbage over there. And that right there, that's a volunteer tomato. And while I'm experimenting, I've also started buying the seed that I want to plant for next year. So I'm going to do a video on what I got. And I ordered from Botanical Interests. And I'm also waiting for a few items from Johnny Seeds. And once that gets here, I will do that video and show you what I'm planning for the greenhouse. So that's it for now. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye. Someone's asleep. She's enjoying the sunshine.